Okay, so right now I'm prepping for this topping around the floors, trying to see exactly how much of each thickness we need. And right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 50-inch strips of 1708, and that doesn't get us quite around everything, so I got some extra pieces and we'll see where they go. But some areas I definitely want to have more than one layer of 1708, especially since it's already cut, so might as well make it stronger where we can and where it needs it as well. Feels so nice to work in a clean boat. I'm really glad I spent the time to clean out in here and by the table, which y'all have probably already seen. Alright. Okay. So that's what we looking like. Got a little patch to add there and there and down here. But looks like we need 7 or 8. 8 would do it. 8 would do it. So this is some we have left to finish patching it up and choose where that goes. But it's gonna feel really nice to have this done. I just know it. I know it will. Okay. A little too tall for this boat. Gonna keep my head down. Okay. Got a little bit of leftovers. So now I know how much other stuff I need, and I think I was initially thinking we need 4 layers, but I think 3 will be enough, so that saves some cutting. pickles.
That looks so stinky.
It just went black?
It went black?
Oh, not even that battery, it does that. And then you have to wake it up again.
Oh.
I need you to...
Oh, my gloves fell in the water.
That's okay, you can get a next pair. I have some on here.
Okay. Am I following you with the thing? Oh, no. What do you need?
I need to get the pieces up here, the 17 or 8 pieces.
What? That's the thick one?
Yeah.
That's all it is.
Yeah. Your job is to get a brush, and you come right behind me with a 3-inch piece. Okay?
Okay. See this right there. Well, all these strips are moving.
Yeah. I'm making drips, I know.
I didn't realize how late it was when I got home.
Got it at 2 o'clock.
I know, but I know that I told you I was gonna leave around 2, but it didn't register to me that it was actually 2. It's not good.
Nice and dry. Nice and dry.
I think it was.
Well, your body is showing, so
I'm the star of the show.
Oh, itchy.